Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Daetilus Maze Puzzle. This puzzle was made by Infinite Loop Games, you can see their logo right here. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to solve the maze and find the hidden compartment inside. So it is a combination of a maze puzzle and a puzzle box. If you take a closer look right here, you will find there is a circle here that is the starting position where you have to put the ball when you start solving the puzzle, and here where there is a small arrow is the finish position. You have to drop the ball inside this cutout. And once you solve the maze, you have to find a way how to open the hidden compartment. There are a lot of wooden pieces sticking out on the sides. Not all of them are for decorative use, since, for example, this one is spring-loaded and you can push it. At the end, you will find why you need it when you will be trying to figure out the way how to open the hidden compartment. The maze itself is quite interesting. It has 3 layers, one on top, another on the bottom, and there is a third layer between 2 layers. And you can't see it, you have to solve it totally blind. That makes it quite a challenge. When you drop the ball in one of the cutouts, it doesn't go straight to the bottom layer, it goes to the middle layer, and you have to navigate the ball so that it will go to the next layer. So it is quite interesting maze puzzle and also a kind of a puzzle box. If you like the Daetilus Maze Puzzle and you wanna buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve it. So the starting position is right here in the middle, and first what you have to do is drop the ball down and move it to this cutout, and then navigate it through the middle layer so that it will appear on the other side. Here you have to move the ball to another cutout, to this one. So it goes here, around, and right here. And again, you have to navigate it through the inner layer until you hear the ball drops down to the opposite side, right here. Next, move the ball to this cutout. Oh, but you have to keep it on this layer. And again, drop it down and make sure it went through the second layer right here. Now we have to move the ball right here. And again, drop it inside and move it until it will drop down to the next level. You will find that the ball is here now and you have to move it to this cutout. But make sure that the ball will not fall into this one. Again, navigate it through the second layer until it drops to the next level. And here you have to move the ball. Wait a second. You have to move the ball to this cutout. Drop it through the layers. And now the ball is right here, and as you can see, now we can move it to the arrow. And the maze is solved, the ball drops down, but what to do next? How to find the hidden compartment? You have to push this button for that, which one was spring-loaded, and when you push it and hold, you will be able to move this piece on the left. And you will find that it is a part of the middle maze, and also a small compartment which has a small token inside which says the name of the puzzle, Daetilus, and the logo of the Infinite Loop Games. Now you have to put everything back inside and lock the hidden compartment with the token inside and solve the puzzle all the way back so that the ball will be here. So you have to move the ball right here in this cutout on top. Move it through the middle layer to the opposite side. Yeah, sometimes it is hard to do so. Next, we have to move the ball right here. Drop to the other side. Now move the ball from here to this cutout, but again, make sure that it not drops inside of this cutout. Move it through the second layer, which is sometimes a little bit difficult. Now when the ball is right here, I have to find where to put it next. I have to put it into this cutout on top. There are so many ways where you can put the ball that it is very difficult to remember which is the next step. Now we have to move the ball from here to this cutout. Move it through the second layer until it drops down. And here we have to move the ball. Oh, this one is challenging. Do I have to move it here or here? Yeah, I guess I had to put it right here. And when it is on the other side, yeah, that was the correct decision. And now it goes here, and the puzzle is solved both ways, and we found the hidden compartment. And that was the solution of the Daetilus Maze Puzzle. If you like this puzzle, or you like maze puzzles or puzzle boxes, and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.